This is DrivenDailyzs 350Z custom camel wrapped. What's up, everybody? This is DrivenDailyzs with you. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here at the airport with my custom wrapped 350Z. It isn't just the only thing that's special, but on the inside it glows a galaxy red and blue on the inside of the interior, which is a pretty awesome feature. And I hope you guys all like this. I hope you guys all subscribe and follow me. I mean, this stuff's pretty awesome. Let's go take a look. Come on. It goes by the exhaust note and just switches all over. It's actually pretty cool, but still stuff has to get done. That's pretty awesome. I did this wrap all by myself. It's very hard. If anyone is willing to help me with a full wrap, please DM me on my YouTube if you guys want, or my email. I'm also on Instagram at DrivenDailyzs, and she sounds pretty good too. Looking for someone to partner with to help me with my car. So if any of you sponsors are welcome to help me, I'd appreciate every little bit, and I thank you. Thank you also for following me. Also do donate towards cancer and charity, and also animals in need of help, so that's a big help as well. But I also love cars, and I just want to do so much more, but I have limited help, so I hope you guys can all help me. I appreciate every little bit. Thank you.